Hello, Dreamer! Long time no see. Yep, today. The position of this trip is at Rantepao's shiny day. So far, I recorded the video. At first, I thought it was easy. No way! Quite difficult and requires high concentration. And after that, you know, I have to edit them again. Carefully, step by step, one by one. What a unique working. I hope you like my documentary video. Follow me if you need. Season of my work. But on the flip side, guys, we can learn English together. For your children, family, and friends. Correct the words if it's not perfect. So close this trip has been fun. Wow, I saw